Refiners! I'm Tammy from Tammy Services Corporation. Just wanted to jump in and let you know the countdown is on. We're almost ready to host the Color Your Calm workshop. What is that? It's all about being calm. It's all about reflecting. It's all about connecting with the community. So take a minute, check it out. Color Your Calm. I just brought a couple of goodies to show you what's going to be happening this Saturday. So here is one of the coloring books. This one is all about empower. So the activities that are in here are about empowerment. So hopefully these things ring true to you. As you can see, this lovely lady. Hello, Refiners! I'm Tammy. The idea is, and don't worry. You're just going to come. Come with your open heart. Come with your great attitude. Come with a learning environment, learning spirit. We have pencil crayons. See, under the Empower Innovate movement. So the pencil crayons are here. The workbook is here. You can color, you can reflect, you can write, because there's lots of room on the pages and on the back. As we were talking, as we're getting to know ourselves, you can write down some thoughts. You can write down some of your 2 next advancement ideas, 2 better, some refinement ideas to get you into the thing. Of course, it's not only about coloring and reflecting. We have so many activities. We'll show you some of the other activities. We're going to have an auction. So we've got items that we're going to be showcasing and you're going to bid. But don't worry, it's okay. If you don't have your wallet, that's free and easy. Guess what? We have to go with the auction. We have some Tammy dollars. So you're going to get, everything is about pretty, guys. Everything is about next level. So you're going to get a beautiful gift envelope of money. And here are some dollars to spend. So each envelope is different amounts. So you're going to get a surprise when you come in and you get an envelope. And aren't they so pretty? So thank you, Flame Delights, because you put the celebration in the event. So you can have this activity. There's going to be new people. It's a diverse crowd. Lots of good energy that's going to be in the room. So we will be talking and walking. Oh, I forgot to show my conversation prompts. So we have some conversation prompts. Don't get nervous, because we're all here to learn. We're all here to grow. We could just introduce ourselves. So hi, I'm Tammy. I could talk about the fact that I'm business-led woman, or I could just say, hey, I'm Tammy. I love Haagen-Dazs ice cream. See what I mean? Can go either way. So it's all about you. It's all about moving forward in a positive space, and that's what we're here. So feel free, come on down. You want to get a ticket? I will put the link in the bio as well, but you can also contact Tammy at tammyservices.com. and I'll personally send you the invitation link, okay? So see you soon. Looking forward. Saturday, March 14th, 7 to 10 at the Rockcliffe Park Community Center, 380 Springfield Road. See you soon. Bye, Refiners! So